Today we have a client's M4 in for a vehicle reconditioning program. Let's jump into this. The BMW F82 M4 is powered by a 3-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine which outputs over 425 horses and 550 Nm of torque. This is a very high-spec M4 unit which comes with the carbon ceramic brakes, carbon bits for the aero, and a full carbon interior. This M4 was used as a daily drive and had significant signs of wear and tear on its paintwork and exterior coachwork. Its unique Austin yellow paintwork had imperfections and deterioration in several panels around the vehicle. From a previously botched repainted section of the car to accumulated stone chips and scratch damages, these panels were repainted and matched seamlessly by our skilled painter. The 437M wheels were also restored from damages and curb rashes and then refinished in its original spec jet black color. The merino black leather interior was repaired and treated to give it a supple feel and to lose the telltale worn-out shine that is often present on aged leather, most noticeably on older, well-used steering wheels. Due to badly damaged surface areas, we had the 6-piston brake calipers refinished in its original M-Spec factory look with an airbrushed logo. We are always happy to oblige to special requests from our clients for customization. After all restorative and customization work was done, the M4 underwent our multi-stage paintwork detailing program to correct imperfections and achieve maximum gloss and color depth. The M4 then underwent further detailing for the carbon fiber aero trim and the carbon fiber roof. Lastly, the M4 was then treated in our hybrid ceramic coating to seal in the newly perfected finish. Infrared lamps are also used to cure each layer of the hybrid ceramic coating to ensure the correct surface cross-linking and achieve optimal hardening. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. I'm Darren. Thanks for watching.